This is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and I'm super excited because I'll be one of the instructors at Maymay's Made It Con. In case you haven't heard, it's going to be September 13th, 14th, and 15th in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So Made It Con is going to be a fun weekend. We get together as crafters and we get to teach you as well as meet you. So I'm going to be teaching 3 classes and 1 workshop, and I'll be doing a demo. So here's my classes. So one of the classes I'll be teaching is a stamping and card making class. Now for this class, we'll be making 3 different layouts of cards. I'm going to take you through the process of what you'll need as a beginning card maker. I think for me, one of the difficult things was I wasn't sure what to buy, what type of, that I needed a stamping block, what type of ink to use. And so you can end up spending a whole lot of money. So this is a great class if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to do card making. We're also going to learn how to use our stamps to make patterns. So one of the things is I like to make patterns out of our stamps or our stamp sets. Here's another one. Just getting more bang for your buck when you're doing your card making. So we're going to learn how to do backgrounds on cards, which is going to be really fun. And of course my sidekick Bill, my husband, is going to be there too, so it's going to be extra fun. We'll also be learning how to take our stamps and use them to make other things. That's one of the things I love to do. So you'll be able to learn how to make different types of cards and how to use your stamps to create other things that you wouldn't necessarily create. So it's going to be a lot of creative energy in that room. I hope you take this class. Now I'll be teaching 2 of this same class. So make sure when you check the times, if you sign up for that class, there's going to be 2 times that class will be given, and it's the exact same class. We'll be also doing a giveaway in this class, and you'll be able to have a take-home kit to start you on your card making journey. So I do hope you'll come spend some time with me and sign up for this class. Another class that I'll be teaching is Upcycling with Decoupage and Napkins. This is definitely a hands-on class. And what I'll be doing is showing you how to cut, arrange, apply the paper napkins to a surface using Mod Podge. This is just one of the projects that we'll be doing. I do have another smaller project that we'll be doing as well. So you'll have 2 pieces that we're going to be working on. Each student in this class will have a kit to decoupage at home, so you'll be able to take some home with you. I'll also have some napkins for you to choose from, so you'll get to take those home too. So I hope that you join me in this class. I'm going to have so much fun, and I know you will too. For this class, each student will receive a kit to take home with them so that you can do some projects at home. And you'll also be given some napkins. So you'll have a bunch of napkins there to choose from to start you on your decoupage journey. I'll also be teaching a mindless crafting mini book workshop. And this is so much fun because each book that's created is so different. So the person sitting next to you may be creating something completely different from what you create. And that's what the whole concept of mindless crafting is so unique, is because you're just allowing yourself to have fun and create. So come prepared because this is a hands-on workshop. You'll learn step-by-step how to uniquely decorate each page using the mindless crafting technique and allowing your own creative style to break through. This is going to be so much fun. I'm going to show you a few techniques of how to decorate each page. And I love that we can make these cute little 3x3 mini books. And once you know how to put it together, then you can just create tons and tons of these and just have so much fun doing them. For this class, just like the other classes, you'll also get a kit that you'll be able to take home and continue your mindless crafting journey. And last but not least, I'll be doing a 45-minute gift basket demonstration. It's one thing to see it on video, but to see it live, up close and personal is a whole nother experience. So I'll be demonstrating step by step how to create a beautiful gift basket from start to finish, including how to fill the basket, how to put the items in the basket, how to have the bow decorations, and how to do the outside of it to make a really gorgeous basket. And guess what? The basket that I create is going to be given away. So I hope you join me. I hope you buy a ticket to any one of the classes that you would love to take. I hope you take all of my classes, but I will put all of the information you'll need below in the description box. I hope to see you in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Bill and I are super, super excited to be able to finally meet some of our crafty friends, just face to face. So I will see you real soon and have a great day. Bye.